Project Life Rajkot has completed 43 years of serving the community and touches every aspect of human life. That is, from blood to green field, from thalassemia prevention to primary education, from health and wellness to women empowerment, and working as a bridge to facilitate connectivity of the non-residents Gujarati with their motherland. Our sacred interventions have impacted hundreds of thousands of people by changing lives for betterment and giving hope of new life to desolate people. Life Building was awarded as Most Outstanding Concrete Structure of India by American Concrete Institution, USA, and it's a prominent landmark of Rajkot city. Under the intervention of health, Project Life has established Life Health and Wellness Center in the year 2003 in order to transform the health and wellness of the community and society at large. Building has excellent air ventilation and comprises of spacious 7 levels spread over 45,000 square feet, of which area of 24,000 square feet is especially provided for yoga activities. The team of qualified and trained teachers having vast experience are engaged in teaching various yoga practices. We conceptualized a novel concept of Healthy Life Club in the year 2007. The center then evolved diverse yoga-centric programs such as Advanced Yoga, Women's Yoga Unit, Meditation Unit, Ashtanga Yoga Unit, Obesity Unit, Senior Citizens Club, Basic Yoga Unit, Shatkarma Unit, Kids Yoga Unit, Vinyasa Yoga and Garbh Sanskar Unit with the facility of diet consultation. In collaboration with Kaivalya Dham, the world-renowned yoga institution, Life Yoga Academy has started a full-fledged certificate course in yoga to give rise to the next generation of yoga instructors. Till date, more than 100 individuals have received the training and have become yoga instructors. We initiated an insightful lecture series titled How Not to Fall Sick in the year 2001. So far, we have organized 300 lectures by renowned doctors and other health experts on diverse topics pertaining to health and lifestyle, benefiting more than 50,000 people. To bring about the mental and emotional transformation among the prisoners, workshops on yoga were organized especially for them in 22 prisons located in different parts of the Gujarat state. Such workshops were aimed at rendering their lives meaningful and active through many benefits of yoga. The center organized Preksha Dhyan Yoga Shibers in all the prisons of Gujarat. These workshops served to transform their health and well-being. Since year 2006, under the guidance of Kaivalya Dham, we have organized various workshops on yoga, pranayam, meditation, mental health and healthy lifestyle, etc. by yoga experts such as Shri O.P. Tiwari ji, Dr. Satish Pathak, Mrs. Sandhya Dikshit, Professor R.S. Bhogal, etc. When Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly in September 2014, proposed to initiate International Day of Yoga to celebrate the invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. This movement was accepted and won accolades across the globe. Since its inception in the year 2015, we are celebrating this day by organizing various events, shibers, competitions, and lectures to promote and disseminate the benefits of yoga to the community. Swami Kuvalyanand ji's asana, pranayam, and yogic chikitsa, Shri O.P. Tiwari ji's asana, how and why, and Professor R.S. Bhogal's yoga and mental health have been translated into Gujarati and published. The center also published Achman in 5 volumes, which contains healthy lifestyle. We also published book titled Bypass the Bypass to prevent heart diseases. Various other yoga and meditation books and other yoga materials are available on demand. When COVID-19 pandemic struck in the year 2020, the center continued to organize yoga sessions, workshops, lectures and certificate course through the digital medium. One-on-one sessions with yoga teachers helped ease the stress and anxiety of the participants caused by the pandemic. We have also entered into collaboration with Kaivalya Dham Lonavala, Indian Yoga Association and Jain Vishwabharati Institute, Ladnu. Going ahead, we have envisioned to set up Saurashtra Yoga Peeth, to establish Yoga Therapy Hospital, to develop Scientific Research Department. Over the course of 18 years, the center has many accomplishments to cherish. More than 579,000 persons got benefited. 6,585 prisoners from 22 jails across Gujarat state got benefited. Organized more than 1,743 yoga shibers and yogic programs. More than 500 yoga demonstrations conducted at various schools. Nearly 100 teachers were trained under yoga instructor course. The endeavor to integrate yoga in the daily lives of people goes on, and we hope to bring about the transformation of their mind, body and soul through different initiatives.